Hello, let's look into hair tips and tricks in achieving this kind of braid without hair strands. Okay, so I'm using this this dummy, yeah, to do this tutorial because I want us to understand it perfectly well. So I cutted out this hair, and in modern times, recent times, we make use of hair wax to put the roots of the hair together. So if you're not doing that, get it right. That's tip number 2. Then again, we use this method of attaching to the roots. Bring one like a straight up braid extension, then we section one part into two and we fix it. And right here, attaching to the roots, if you don't have the idea, it's basically a splitting thing, like splitting the hair into 3 parts to match the 3 separated braid extension you are using. Now let's look at how we hide this hair. The tricks behind it, it's simple. Each time you are braiding, look at the hair where the hair pops out, turn it upside down. Okay, now look closely to my tips. What I'm doing, I'm turning down, like I'm putting the hair downwards, if that makes sense. I'm trying to say that, oh my god, I'm trying to say that each time I'm braiding any part of the 3 part, I put downwards the side with the hair strands. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So that's it. This is the hair strand. As you can see, I turn it down. That's the hair strands. I turn it down again. That's the hair strands. I turn it down. And don't forget another tip. Make sure you braid with your fingers, like with your thumb, and the next finger after your thumb. It gives a more beautiful braids. Alright, just these two like this. Can you see? Yeah, it gives more clarifying braid. Okay, so make sure to add this tip to your braiding. Alright, now see the result. No hair strands popping out. You can only find it at the back side, like downward side of the hair, but looking at this, it's free and clear. Okay, so let's try another one. Now I'm going to do the old method of splitting the braid extension into 2 smaller parts and bigger part, then add together. We are used to that, I know. So I want us to try again how to hide the hair again. That's what we're going to try again before we move to the knotless twist I want us to do. So this is how we attach as usual. Split into 3. Use these hands to support. Then you split the hair into 3 to match the 3 parts of the braid extension. Then you see how I split. See how we fix this. Can you see what's going on right here? That's just the magic. So if you are new to this, this is how it's been achieved. You practice this over time, you make it perfect. Alright, so let's continue with the tips. So right now, like I said previously, you hide the hair by turning the hair strands upside down. As you can see what I'm doing right now, I turn any part that comes out with hair strands backwards. Are you seeing what I'm doing actually? Now see, when it comes out without hair strands, I just braid it. Now see this one, I turn it upside down. This one I turn it backwards again. So that's it. This is very important for recent hair. Like, people love it this way. So if you are into this industry, learn this. Now see how it comes out. See how it comes out. So this is another tip for today. So let's try. Have you tried a knotless twist before? Like this method of knotless twist, I mean a twist. Okay, so let's try it out. You start it by using small strand, and if you look at my finger closely, you see how I attach this. It just fold. Now see, let's do this one. Pull it together, fondle this one outwardly, this one inwardly, then twist. Did you get that? Let's look again at how it is being done. You add this straightly like this. You fondle out, fondle in, and twist. You get it now? Let's try it again. You take your braid extension, you cross it over each other using that tip to hold it. Then you fondle out, fondle in, and twist. So if you're having challenges with twisting, this is a tip I want to share for you to get it right. So you fondle out the other side and fondle in the other side, and make sure your hand, like your index, your thumb, is pressed right in between the two strands of braided extension, so that you can easily tighten the both side and get a beautiful twist. Okay, now look how I twist. Make sure you fondle properly, you fondle tightly. That's gonna give you a tight twist. Now see the two I have done. Can you see these two? So I'm trying out the third one. Can you see how tight it is and how beautiful it is? So if you are making braids and you're not achieving it right, get some tips today and add to your skills to level it up. Okay, that's the modern pattern of making hairs this time that makes some hair look stunning and beautiful, and you think you're not following. These are just the tricks and the tips. Okay, so let me share with you today, and I hope you like what we tried. So try this knotless twist today and see how beautiful it turns out. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe, because we are coming with a better and stronger video for you. Alright, so I hope you got something. Still maintain watching if you are yet to get satisfied with what you see. So I'm still doing this very twist, this very one, for you to know, to master. Can you see that? It's really beautiful. So if you twist rightly, it's gonna come out beautifully well. See how I twist. Watch the two hands. Like I said, they are the work. They are the ones that does the work. Now see the outcome of the twist. Can you see how arranged and tight it is? Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye for now.